You're hot.
This is the 36-inch wingspan printed plank. I'd like to give a shout out to my friend Dave, who printed this and basically designed the airplane. We have a 80 gram 28 by 38 1500 kilovolt motor with a 9x6 folding prop, 1300 milliamp battery. No idea what's going to happen.
Yep, that's it. We're going to find out. Ooh, twitchy. There you go.
CG is a little touchy.
Yeah.
I got to bring it in.
Oh,
darn.
Yeah.
Well.
Hey, all be put back together.
I have to tell you, these are his prototype fuses, and they're only 2 millimeters thick.
Yeah.
So he said, count on it breaking. I've already printed more.
Right.
And just to prove my point, you can see it's...
Oh, yeah. Very, very...
I mean, my grandkid could break that. But the theory is solid.
See how the hobby goes, my man?
Like that.
I have the t-shirt that tells you all that.
Been there, done it.
Build it, fly, crash it, repeat.
Now look, ain't no crying, ain't no tears.
No. Nope.
Yeah, right. I just need a new fuse. Not a big deal.
Hobby, hobby.
Yep. Well, Dave, sorry, but it did fly.
Oh yeah.
And he said to have the CG a little forward because he found that the fuse acts like a lifting surface. I had it touch forward where it was. I should have left it on the marks.
And we're no stab, correct?
No stab.
No stab whatsoever there, guys.
Nothing. Just me. Just me.
Yep.
Let me tell you, once you pitched it,
yeah.
Whew, that's because the CG was forward, because last night he flew his with the CG forward because it was windy, and he said it made these violent turns when he turned to the right. Well, that was pretty violent, right?
Yep, it was.
Don't worry. Stay tuned for part 2.
Stay tuned, folks. We'll get it back out here. SWRC. Keep checking back.